why did he do this? I mean, he's a smart guy. He should have known not to.
Well, let me explain. He wasn't the only person that did this. There were many other people in the courtroom. Once the judge had made a ruling in the Van Dyke case, because his lawyers, Van Dyke's lawyers, filed motions to dismiss the charges against Van Dyke. The judge denied those motions and then had called for a recess, my understanding. I wasn't there. But anyways, and then what happened is that some people who expressed their support of the ruling by the judge snapped their fingers. Other people were more discreet, I should say, than he was. He raised his hand in the air and snapped his fingers, and the judge saw him.
But again, I mean, you've spoken to your client. I mean, you're not going to divulge everything you had with discussion with your client, but he's an educator, he's a teacher, I believe.
Correct.
Did he not know that you can't disrupt a court proceeding? I mean,
he thought he thought he was showing his support for the ruling of the judge. Because he's here, and when he comes to court in the Van Dyke case, he's here to support the family and hope that someday there'll be a conviction in the Van Dyke case.
what does he teach exactly?
Right now, he's teaching citizenship.
Okay.
Well, the judge, when we were up there, and last time also, he mentioned the case going back to the 1930s, the Scottsboro's boy, who were all Afro-American, in a white town down south, were arrested, were on trial, and the people in the audience were screaming and yelling, "Hang him and kill him," whatever. And the judge is concerned, and I'm on the judge's side of this. I think that we don't want to have a situation where Van Dyke is found guilty and then the verdict is overturned because they said he didn't get a fair trial because somebody yelled out something or did something in the court that could affect the decisions of the jurors.
Now, again, forgive my ignorance here, but does this mean he's banned from attending Van Dyke hearings?
No, he can still come to hearings.
Okay, so he presumably will not do this again?
No, he's not going to do this again.
Does he plan to come to subsequent Van Dyke hearings?
Well, it depends on work schedule.